Well, welcome to Ways Out Back. So I wanted to just talk a little bit about my cargo trailer conversion, and I wanted to give you the top 10 things that we really love about our cargo trailer. So let's get started. So number one, the clearance. Where we camp, it's often off-road and it's really rough. You need a lot of clearance underneath your trailer to get in. So this trailer, we've jacked it up. I've done an axle over the leaf spring swap, and it gives us now 21 inches of clearance. That's with these trailer tires. Eventually, once we get some truck tires on there, then we'll have a little more clearance. So number one, clearance. Number two, stairs. So we tried to figure out a good system that would work with the camping we do. Again, oftentimes, just like you see with the rock here, it's very uneven surfaces we're on. So we found these solid steps and they fit within our doorway. We ordered the one that fits, and these are nice because they fold up into the trailer. So they fold right up. There's no more hitting with rocks or anything, your steps that are hanging down. Everything folds away, yet it gives you a nice solid step so you're not falling out. So number two, the steps. Number three, the windows. So I got these windows from a used RV place, and I searched for them specifically. I didn't want the side sliding windows because I didn't want the water running down here and then running into the trailer. Often we keep the windows open while we're in the middle of a rainstorm. No water comes in. So we like these windows, and they're half of it open. So again, used RV places, you know, where they're scrapping RV, look for your windows. That's number three, our windows. Number four, solar panels. So in this trailer, we've got 300 watts of solar panels. So roughly in the summer, from running our fridge all the time, from running lights, running everything that we want, electronics, charging all our electronics, we can charge all our batteries in about 3 hours. We charge up the whole pack. In the winter, it takes more like 8 hours. So number four, our solar panels. Number five, our fridge. So this was a big debate about what to do. Before, we had an RV fridge, you know, one that ran off propane, and this fridge is strictly electric. So I was worried about the amount of power that it would draw, but honestly, it is 100% worth it because it's very regular, like it keeps the same temperature. Before our RV fridge, it would either be too hot or it would be too cold, it would freeze things. Whereas this, you just set it and you forget it. And they're actually very low draw fridges. So this fridge, it's from a solar company that makes it for off-grid cabins, but you can get a lot of different types. Some of the chest fridges. Anyways, an electric fridge, that's number five. Number six, our shower. Now, I know some people have said, well, you don't need a shower inside. But honestly, where we camp, it's full of mosquitoes, it's full of black flies. And if you like showering outside with black flies, you're a braver man than I am. But in our build, I really wanted a shower inside. So number six, our shower. So number seven is our heater. So in this cargo trailer, we installed a diesel heater, but I highly recommend a good condensation-free heater. So like a buddy heater, anything like that, do not use them. It causes too much condensation inside. But diesel, propane, anything like that's good. So the diesel one, we've been out in minus 38, and it's kept us toasty warm in here, no problem. So highly recommend it. Number seven, our diesel heater. So number eight is our fold down countertop. So in a cargo trailer that's this small, you need to make use of all your spaces. So this little countertop has been great. We make our coffee on here, we can dry our dishes on here after washing them, and we can use it as a cutting board before we cook things. So number eight, our fold down countertop. Number nine, the cargo box up front here. So I welded on this rack onto the tongue, and in here, this is a sealed Rubbermaid box. We store everything that you don't want to pack inside your trailer. you know, maybe your leveling blocks, the jack stands, the sewer hoses, anything that we want goes in here. And underneath is our propane. So I welded in a plate to hold our propane tanks with the regulator. So number 9, the cargo storage up front. So the 10th thing that we love is these rear barn doors. So we have it set up so that we can put our barbecue out here. We can have a nice eat out kitchen. But the real reason, let me show you right now. The real reason why we love these rear doors is check out that view. So you can back up to any lake, any view you want, open up your doors, and this is the view that you get. Okay, so there you have it. That's our 10 must-haves for our cargo trailer to camper conversion. So how about you? What do you wish that you would have put into your cargo trailer that you didn't? Or what did you put in that you're really, really happy that it's there? So let me know in the comments below, please. And let me know what you think about our cargo trailer. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe for more cargo trailer content to come.